What are the historical and common tools that are being used to manage bolted flange integrity, and are they failing us?
Good question. So yes and no, I suppose is the honest answer there. Depending on the size of the asset, I think the traditional method is paper-based, that has now led into Excel. A lot of these joints, some facilities, they're not managed at all. They're only managed as and when needed. Other facilities have a log of their joint integrity records linked to an Excel spreadsheet potentially, and then obviously coming more into the digital era, we do have digital applications that support full transparency of the joints. Um, the problems obviously with paper, as we all know, it's historical records get lost. The people inputting the data move positions, move companies, and obviously you lose that traceability. And when you lose the traceability, unfortunately, that provides problems later down the road where you don't really learn from your potential mistakes. Whereas if you have a problematic joint at startup that continues to be a problem during leak testing, you want to know about it and understand how you manage to seal the joint. We went to max yield if you had to cut joints, wherever the scenario may be. So the system is quite paramount for historical reasons. And as we move into the digital era, that is what the digital side brings, is the accountability and the historical records for the joint of the asset, or the joints for the asset.